got a phone, but she don't know where she was. She a badass bitch with a nice.
This right here is for all the Ratchet. You know, Ratchet, Ratchet, freaking Ratchet. Why are you Ratchet? Got time for Ratchet. Especially hate Ratchet, you know what I mean? Cause like, one kid had like the big ass hairdos, like fucking hairdo, fucking all around his freaking face. You like fucking Chewbacca, nigga. Right, you know, Chewbacca, fucking hair all around it, and stupid hair. That couldn't be me, that couldn't be my girlfriend, you already know. If you think it would be like, fire, like, fuck. I would want to fuck a girl with female all hair. You already know, cause like, Nicki Minaj, Ratchet. I'm using bang, but she Ratchet. You already know. Lil' Kim, straight Ratchet. Ain't no non-ratchet in that booty right there. That booty is Ratchet. R-A-T-C-H-E-T. Michelle Obama, Ratchet. She's so fake. Can't stand her. First lady, you nice, but you Ratchet because you know, because your man is famous. Ah, shit. Anyway, what's my Ratchet girl? Buddy, if I was a girl, I wouldn't be Ratchet. You understand me? Like, oh. Alright, you ever seen like two Ratchet girls fight? Alright. Notice that they dish out their dress. They put out their what's the thing? They Twitter. Nigga, they put out their hair color. What's your hair color gotta do with you fight? Man, alright, look, this is how the conversation starts. First off, I was in Walmart, so I walked past some females, and like, tell me why the word bitch. Like, why? Why do you put bitch in every sentence that you say? Like, I hate when two Ratchet girls fight because all you hear is bitch. And then like, that pisses me off, like, the fuck? Why? How come we can't call y'all Ratchet? Like, man, fuck it. Anyway, bitch, whatever. Anyway, I just hate how two Ratchet girls fight. Like, I hate how they are. Like, okay, so they have like big ass hairdos, fucking, like that. And then like they have the fucking, like I just hate them. Like on the eyelashes and shit, fucking plastic booty, plastic face. Like, bitch, is you real? Damn. I be like just thinking. I be like, why? Like, you have nothing else to do? You know, like, they be talking back and forth, blah blah blah. A bitch, man, please. So this how I go. First I walked, and they were like, when the first girl was like, how you doing, girl? The other girl was like, I'm doing good, bitch. That's what happened right there. They were talking, and then you heard the word bitch, and the other girl on this side snapped. She was like, bitch. Let me call me a bitch. Bitch. And I was like, man, that's some nigga bitches. A lot of bitches right there, nigga. Dang. And then the other girl on this side was like, bitch, first of all, you catch me at, I am Ratchet. If you want to fuck on me, why you put your Twitter in? I'm confused. And the other girl on this side be like, man, girl, whatever. You better take that little attitude. And if you got a problem, ask somebody about me, because you already know I am a Ratchet. Hold up right there. Hold up. Bring that back. I am a Ratchet. One more time. I am Ratchet. It's how I was on the side over there. I was just listening. Anyway, it's like all into it. And then, like, tell me why they anime they address, like, why? Like, bitch, catch me at 25 Boulevard Drive, at, the red house on the left side of the street. Now, what if you come and assassinate your ass? It's your fault, nigga. Your fault, you ratchet female. That's you. The other girl was like, alright, you can come catch me by the sidewalk on Boulevard Hood. The fuck? The fuck is Boulevard Hood? Like, fuck? Why? You didn't say that. Man, I just hate ratchet female like, man, if you ratchet, man, this how it goes out to you, man. Stop being ratchet, alright? Please. You sit on couch all day anyhow. Do something with your life. It's easy. Stop being ratchet. Man. I'm out though. This has been like a fucking announcement for ratchet girls. No ratchet. Peace to the motherfucking bitch.